Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. It is Sunday, man. It's Sunday, the 28th. January 28th, man. Pretty much walking ourselves into the second month of the new year. If y'all don't know, man, I'm your dog. Big B-Lo, Mr. Ain't a Man himself, man. As y'all can see, I have on the Ain't It Man attire. Ain't It Man. But yeah, so today, man, you know, I'm kind of getting back into the swing of things, man. We're trying to anyway, with the whole DoorDash thing. So I'm about to go up here, see what they got going on with the DoorDash, man. See if I can get a couple dollars, put it in the account, man, and we can move forward with that. Probably talking about a few things. Really don't have a whole lot right now to talk about. I haven't even posted. I've been really posting the shorts and the things like that. You know what I'm saying? To keep y'all occupied, man. Hopefully I can get some DoorDash sightings when I get out here. That'll be all good. Man, whatever they smoking in that car. Think I'm high. But yeah, man. Y'all know what to do, man. If you're new to the channel, you haven't subscribed, man, please consider doing so. Liking, comment, man. I do talk back. Man, hit the links in the description, man. I try to put links in my description, man, that's helpful to others. I am an Amazon affiliate. Yeah, I try to put those links over there, man, so y'all can, you know what I'm saying, just in case y'all, that way y'all ain't gotta ask where I got it from, or, you know what I'm saying, what it costs or whatever. Y'all can just tap that link, send you straight to it. Bam, y'all do nothing like Buddha have. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but just subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe, hit them links, man. I try to be there for y'all as much as I can. So yeah, I was actually waiting on somebody to call me. I was waiting on Boogie to call me because he wanted me to do something for him. But he's not picking up, so I don't know. I'll catch him on that. But got to get out here, man, and do our thing with the dash, man. I'm actually very, very hungry. But what I want is like a sports bar type, and I know them sports bars is slam packed right now, so I'd rather not even deal with that part of the activities. So yeah, so we got a promo here, should be coming up soon, 3:30. They got a promo all night. What's tomorrow? Monday? Dang, I'll be at work. Promo all night, man. I ain't gonna stay here long, man. It's 3 o'clock. I ain't gonna stay here all night. I'm gonna stay here, man, till probably about 7. Stay here at about 7, man, and then I'm gonna take it on to the house, cause I ain't really trying to be out here like that. Man, I hate when folks drive beside me, man. Folks, like, literally just sit there and drive beside you. I hate that, dog. Like, what are you doing? I'm still waiting on the crossmember, man. I don't think he done with it yet. Well, I'm sure he ain't done with it because he ain't said nothing to me about it. He asked me for some pictures of the mount, of the transmission mount and all that right there. So, yeah. and all that right there. But you know, I'm gonna get up under there and do what I gotta do. Make sure it line up right and all that. But yeah, as far as man the build, man, I can't wait to get back to it. Once I get, man, it's so much stuff that come across the table, man. Like for the bubble, man. So it's like I got a whole lot I got to deal with right now. So I'm gonna try my best. Try my best, man, to get everything done so that I can either start on the Firebird or I can either start on the box. So with that being said, man, there's a whole lot of money gotta be made. You know what I'm saying? A whole lot of money gotta be made, man. A whole lot of time, all that right there. So hopefully, man, I can keep y'all with some good content. Hopefully, man, y'all don't, you know what I'm saying, stray on me or whatever. But I need y'all to understand something, man. This is not, I don't want this to be looked at as simply a car content channel. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is everyday life. You know what I'm saying? This is everyday life. I don't record or post every day, but this is everyday life, man. I really want y'all to understand that. I see like my views and stuff, like when it ain't car content, my views drop. You know what I'm saying? Like y'all are not that interactive when it ain't car content. I personally really, I don't like that. I'm gonna be 100 with y'all, man. I don't like that. You know what I'm saying? Because it kind of make me feel some type of way. At the same time, I know what draws y'all in, so I can't even be upset with nobody. I'm not upset with nobody. You know what I'm saying? I just, you know, if a person say, I'm cool with you, then they cool with all of the positive that somebody is doing. Now, if I was on her mind posting drugs and killings and all that right there, then yeah, I could, you know what I'm saying, folks getting shot and all that, I could see y'all kind of straying away from that. But, you know what I'm saying, it's all positive content, man. Good, healthy, fun, laughing, you know what I'm saying, family-oriented content. So, man, I really appreciate it, man. You know what I'm saying, y'all, you know, tapped in with that a little bit, man, because I mean, you never know. Sometimes, man, it might be some car content in the family content. You know what I'm saying? You never know. So just keep that in mind. But man, let me get on out here, man, and get set up, and I'll hit y'all in a second, man. I know y'all can't see me work nothing, boy. But yeah, I thought I had a lot to talk about, but when the DoorDash started hitting, man, I just kind of didn't have nothing to talk about no more. It was, you know what I'm saying, we was getting to the bag. But I'm headed now to Kroger, man. I gotta get some milk for my baby. She got one can left. And the way she eating right now, that can ain't gonna make it. That one can ain't gonna do it. So I'm finna head to this Kroger real quick. I'm trying to watch this car behind me, man, cause they was behind me, then they got in the other lane, and then when I turned to Kroger, they got in the lane behind me. I'm trying to see what's going on. Hopefully y'all don't have to hear no fireworks this evening, because I really don't have time for foolishness. So hopefully y'all don't get a chance to experience that side of me. But I would really, like, they follow me, like they even coming down this lane with me. Turn over here and see if they're gonna come over here. If they do, then we gonna have to talk. Where you going with them baskets, sir? Oh, they keep going. Y'all see that car turning back though? I don't have time, dog. Like, I would really rather y'all just leave me alone. Is that done right there? Nah. I would really rather y'all just leave me alone and just, you know, oh shit, just going on about y'all day, man. It ain't worth it, dog. It ain't worth it. But yeah, I'm probably finna go holler at old Memphis Mike, man, before I go on to the house. So might get y'all some little footage with that. But let me run in here right quick, get this milk, and then I'll be right back. Well, huh? Huh?
I heard Big Mama crying.
Nah. She was whining. Well, I didn't get a chance to go over Memphis Mike house. So, come over here and talk about the Chevy one time. Man, we need to talk about the Jeep though. Need to charge the battery up on the Jeep, man, cause this one ain't moved. This joint has not moved. Gotta get that joint there together, cause yeah, she need to be outside. But we gotta, when we come back though, we gotta come back proper. So fender flares, man, bumpers. I don't know if she gonna do the wrap or not. I don't know if she still want to. I don't know if she's still motivated to do it, but man, we gotta come all the way correct with this jump right here, man, cause yeah, it's time for it. You know what I'm saying? Might change the wheels up. I don't know what she wanna do. So I ain't gonna get too far deep into what she got going on, but I don't know what she wanna do, but I know she wanna do the wrap. The fender flares gotta go. I don't know about the wheels, fender flares and bumpers. We need to still need to take it to get the suspension check. You know what I'm saying? Get a 4-point suspension check, man, all the way around. You know what I'm saying? Get the suspension check and yeah, go from there, cause I plan to be outside in these cars, man. Tag team duo. Both of us gotta be outside. You know what I'm saying? Both of us gotta be outside in these jumps. Man, I gotta turn this thing into overdrive. Whatever it is I'm doing, I gotta turn it into overdrive, man, so we can get everything going. Try to have this out by the summer for sure. If not the spring, the summer for sure. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see, she got her this Jeep parking over there, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we gotta be outside, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to have her out, man. Spring, late spring, early summer. You know what I'm saying? Or however it come. You know what I'm saying? Probably. I don't know. But yeah, we gonna definitely try to get that going, man. There's some stuff that I need to do. Over here. I think I spoke about it last time on some stuff that I need to do. I ain't sure if I said it. There's some wiring issues that I need to get worked out. Take it to my guy. I got his card in there. Told him I was gonna bring it to him. Steering column. Pretty much saying the same stuff over and over again. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get the steering column done. All that good stuff. Man, I really want to get my garage done different. I've been looking at them honeycomb lights. I'm really digging them honeycomb lights, man. So popcorn gotta come off the ceiling. You know what I'm saying? Popcorn coming off the ceiling. I think I'm gonna leave them cabinets, but my full painted garage. Popcorn coming out the ceiling. It's gonna be painted up there too. I don't know what color I want to paint the garage yet. But you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do this, fix all the imperfections in the walls, all that stuff right there, man. take them plant racks down. I don't plan on hanging no plant racks. Well, I might hang some though, cause I might be painting some or something. So I might hang it up like dry or whatever, paint or whatever. I don't know. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? I think these lights are gonna come down because I really want them honeycomb lights. Even though them honeycomb lights are very expensive, I want them. I want to transform my garage into a real spot, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, I got to do the floors. I'm doing the garage floors. I want to do the I think it's acrylic. I think that's what they call it, acrylic. I want to do the acrylic on the floors. Man, I want to do everything in here, man. You know what I'm saying? So this will be a real spot, man, because that's where I'm at with it. What's up?
Your drill.
A drill?
Yeah, your nail drill. So I can drill this in my table.
See. I don't even know where the drill is. I'll find and bring it to you. You need it right now?
Yeah.
Is that it? Oh, here you go. Huh, I gotta find a battery. Find your battery. What that? Oh, yeah, I got a battery too. How about baby? See if that battery charged. But yeah, man, I'm trying to turn this into a real spot, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do some nice shelving. You know what I'm saying, for little stuff. We're gonna utilize all the space that we got, man. All the space on the walls and all that. Take all that stuff there down, man. We're gonna make everything neat how it's supposed to be. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, cause right now the garage look like crap. So I wanna try to acrylic the floors and all that good stuff. Yeah, man, I got a lot of plans, man. It's gonna be like a real, you know what I'm saying, one of the garage you see on TV, man. Folks be taking the, you know what I'm saying, the real nice exotic pictures of their cars and stuff in the garage, man. They be having acrylic floors and painted in honeycomb lights and all that. That's what I'm trying to go with this. So yeah, that'll be a good look. That'll be a damn good look for these two. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, man. I thought I was gonna run by Memphis Mike, but he ended up laying it down, so I wasn't gonna bother. But yeah, it's your dog, man. Big B-Lo, Mr. Ain't the Man himself. Catch y'all in the next one.